Is EasyBucks really an easy way to earn $10 or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this app, so therefore I decided to test it myself and compare it with the hundreds of other ways to make money online I've tested. And in this EasyBucks app review, I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons so you can decide for yourself if you should download this app or not. So before I log in and show you around the app, then let's just first go over who can join. And EasyBucks is an app that is available in a lot of different countries. They do not have a list of the exact countries, but if you can find it in the Play Store, then it's available in your country. It's only available for Android devices at the time of recording this video. But there might be a few countries where it's not available. If you can't find it in the Play Store, it's not available in your country. So just so you are aware of that. But as you can see on the website, it says it's a money-making app like never before. So it kind of claims that it's one of the best earning apps where you can earn for free. And I have tested hundreds of apps like that. So we'll put that to the test. So let me now log in and then we can take a look at what it really offers. So I have now logged into EasyBucks and I must say it's quite user-friendly. You can easily find out how to earn. You're just in the earning section there. There are some options up there, the featured offers, the service and the paid offers. So that's the kind of the main ways you can earn, but you can also scroll this bar there and then you can see there's also, for example, earn by playing games. So there's a few different places you can find the ways to earn. So let's start with the surveys. So you see, we click there and there's a few surveys you can do. You can access more when you fill out the profile surveys and do all these things there. And in general, I would say that we'll go over the value of the coins later, but the value for your time here is not one of the top paying survey apps for sure. I have a video of those in the top corner. I will leave a link there, but it pays decently for the service. Nothing special, kind of average, maybe a little bit below average in my personal experience. This can vary from country to country. Just be aware of that. So you can also go to the offers, and this is where you can find different paid offers where you, for example, can download other games or apps, or there are also sometimes extra service you can find here or different free trials you can sign up for and things like this. Again, it doesn't have anything particularly special here. It has a few offer walls, but not as many as the top get paid to sites. And pay again here, the rewards you get for your time. It's again kind of average, nothing really special. So one more way you can earn is by going to this earn by playing games, and this is this playtime. So you download an app and it will track how long you played and you will then get paid per minute. You can see right now, for example, I would get 3 coins per minute. I could earn a total up to this, but then the first minute I would get that, but then I would have to play longer to earn. That's how this playtime earning apps in general work. But I would say that 3 coins, as you would see in just a minute when we talk about the payout options to earn that, even if I earn that every minute, which I will not, that's only when I first start, then it will take longer and longer. That is a very low reward. I have a video about the best playtime apps. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out also. So these are the main ways to earn inside EasyBucks. So fairly easily, fairly straightforward, get paid to app. But what you then need to consider to find out whether it's for you or not is of course also the value of these coins and the payout options. And you find that by going to the redeem section down here. And you see then these are the different payout options, and I do like these payout options. It has a lot of different cryptos, some cryptos that I haven't really seen on many other get paid to sites or apps, so I like that. Not only like Bitcoin, I also have a video about the best ways to earn free Bitcoin. You can check that out there, but it also offers like other cryptos and then PayPal Cash, so kind of no matter your preferences, you can get paid here. But you then need to choose your method. So if you say PayPal, you see you need to earn 10,000 coins for $10, so they will be worth $10. And then there's also a fee of 500 points when you actually redeem. So that's equivalent to 50 cents that they will then take from you when you request a payout. So you need to be aware of that as well if you get paid via PayPal. But this conversion ratio is important to remember because you need to earn 1,000 points or coins to earn $1. And as you could see, for example, especially the playtime, that really did not give a lot. Some of the service gives decently, as I also said, but overall it will take some patience. So even though it's called EasyBucks and says it's a money-making app like never before, it will take some patience compared to many other apps in my opinion and experience. But I do like the payout options. The payout threshold, $10, it's fairly regular. It could be lower. I prefer when they're lower, but it's okay. No, nothing like alarming there. But also it's a little bit higher if you want to get paid in Bitcoin, and also see the fee for getting paid in Bitcoin is quite high, so that's something to be aware of. Ethereum, for example, also you need to earn $15. There's also a fairly high fee for that there. And Litecoin, you see the fee is a little bit lower, but you still need to earn $15. So the payout threshold will depend on the payout option you choose. A little bit too high in my opinion, but still something that you can definitely reach. So to sum it all up, EasyBox is a decent get paid to app, I would say. In my opinion, the biggest advantage of it is the payout options, because I like that it offers these different cryptos and also PayPal Cash. But the fees a little bit too high there, the payout threshold a little bit too high, and in general the rewards you get for the different service and the different paid offers and for playing, it's not one of the top paying apps. It's not a money making app like never before, as it says on the website. But of course all apps basically say that, so always test for yourself to find out, right? But anyways, if you have already downloaded, I would say like it can be a decent way. It's just not one that I will continue using, because I prefer just using the ones that I find to be the absolute top options. And I will leave a link below so you can go and find the best survey and get paid to sites in your country. I have a list on my website where I have set it up manually with the best sites for specific countries, because that's the way to get the most benefit out of different platforms like this. So you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.